YouTube, what up? At the Suburban Beard Mansion, transferring files. You know what we do. We are here. We made it to the ranch house, which is the check-in destination for Rocky Ranch Resort in Ohio. What do you think, Ken, so far?
I want to ride horsey.
You want to ride horses? What do they got over there?
He's gonna ride a horse. He's gonna ride a horse.
He's not riding a horse.
Yeah,
they got cabins here. They have tennis courts here.
3 hours.
Took 2 hours to get here. A little
3
over.
hours.
A little over 2. All right, we're waiting for Mom to check in, and then we will go to our site. When you're in the country, you go riding down the road with the deer. They're just running down the road. Oh, there they go.
There they go.
Into the woods.
That's what we call smart deer. Guernsey County smart deer.
Guernsey County smart deer. I don't know. Never heard of them. YouTubes, we are all set up at Rocky Fork Ranch, right across from the playground and the indoor swimming pools in that building right there, straight across. This site here, ex-sister-in-law, I guess you can call her. Anyways, my niece's mom. There will be here this afternoon. Nice long sites. It is on a slope, but we are E7 and E8. I'm on E8. Again, a little bit of a curvature coming down this way, but nothing a couple of leveling blocks won't help with. We have water, electricity. First time ever I've had to use my extension cord, so make sure you get an extension cord. Link in the description. I think they're like $49 from Camco. You never know where your power is going to be, and our power on this site is right at the front. Got my L-shaped kitchen back there set up. Well, not technically set up, but the table is there for the outdoor grill slash air fryer slash Ninja. Love my Ninja smoker, 6-in-1. Got a little fire pit. We back up right to the woods, which is amazing for the shade. Look at all these trees. It's gonna be 95 today, but we got the shade. Kiddos are already at the indoor pool, so we're gonna walk over and take a look-see. The other roaming gulls could have came today because we have more sites available, but they had to work. Cabins, tons of different size cabins, different layouts, different setups. This is a resort style RV park, so usually you have to have a membership to come here. But we took a tour and they gave us 21 nights for free. 7 during prime time season and 14 during off-peak season. This is one of their 11 resorts nationwide. We're gonna try to hit up the Gettysburg one of these days, since we have those 14 free nights during the off-peak season. So yeah, this weekend is absolutely free because the tour, you know, and they tried to sell us, of course, on getting the membership, but we did not partake. We like to travel and see all the different ones. We don't want to be limited to just 11. Okay, this is going to be the indoor pool. I'm going to turn the camera off because I don't want people thinking I'm recording them swimming. We are in downtown somewhere. I don't know, but we just ate at Theo's restaurant. Really good food. Super cheap, like 1950 type prices. $2, 35 cents for a coney dog. Got a cool knife store there. Looks like they sell some horse type stuff. Court Administration Building. We are in Guernsey County. Here's Theo's. This is where we were, Cambridge, downtown Cambridge. I knew that. But what I really wanted to show you guys was this old school Dollar General store. It's been here since like the 20s. Super crazy. Must have been like the first Dollar General ever. I'm being facetious when I say the 20s, but you'll see what I'm talking about here in 30 seconds. bits. Having a Christmas in July sale at the old antique place. Very cool stuff. Get faded up at the barber shop. I don't know what this place is. Area agency. Huh, all right. But this is the Dollar General that I was talking about. Stunning. Look at that sign. Who knows when this was put in? It's got to be like one of the first ones in the country. Super cool. Anyways, my ride's coming to get me. The ladies we just left, they have the truck. Super cool. Yeah, they're waiting for the storm to come through. Well, it's about the storm, but we went to South Fork State Park. Here's the beach. We got the nature center over here. Some monkey bars, little putt-putt, some pavilions. Putt-putt's cool. I don't want to get my feet all sandy.
Go! Hurry up!
I can rinse your guys' feet off at the camper.
I can't get back there and have it all over your truck.
No. They can rinse off right there, actually.
Huh.
I'm not going on the beach. Because I don't want to get all sandy.
Come on, you guys, go before the storm comes.
Where do we put our shoes?
Just leave them there, not at me.
Put them right here.
Right there at the sand.
No, I said can't. Oh, that is a cool turtle.
The snack turtle.
It's hot?
Snack warm. Oh, it's moving now.
It's not. Oh, it's Mom, that's the turtle that was in.
That's what we seen on the road. Lisa, that big turkey vulture up there.
They have them at Bob and Janine's house. So
It's soft.
Turkeys? Look at that turkey vulture.
oh,
Yeah, I think he already got his 124 fish for the week.
Yeah. Poor guys. There's only 7 left.
I know she really likes what you have to say, and we do too, because I've never really talked to you.
Dad's over here.
Bigfoot's all over. It's so funny.
Can I put a pin in for Brunswick on?
Sure.
Hold the camera.
Said this one was found in the park.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah. See, baby, you didn't find it.
Nope.
So you got a slug up there?
Yes.
No,
My backyard.
Oh, wow. And where was that at?
Brunswick,
Medina County.
Medina County. They're always looking for Bigfoot everywhere.
We're always hunting for Bigfoot.